left side.
Okay.
As you can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever it will start, it will start in the standard mode, right?
Listen to me.
Okay.
S mode is standard mode, and all the information will be on the left side. This is the chart standard display. Normally no use because we need to show all the information. This one is just ignore this one, and this one can change the scale. Green color is this chart is for the best scale for this chart only. And this one can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, also we can use the finger. And this button you can hide the toolbars. Yeah. This one is for your reference because already set to not
motion standard.
correct.
To change that one?
Yeah, if you change here, here will be automatically change. Here only
how
for
we change?
here only for your reference.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay.
Silent mode it is almost same as the S mode. Different is the labels you can drag out and change the size and delete. And if you want to put it back, go to settings and you click info labels, and then it will be back.
Once again, settings.
Settings,
No.
info labels. Yeah.
Okay.
Planning mode it means show you how to make the route. First, click new, and you can change the route name, and then can click on the screen. It will become the route.
Okay.
Here also can double click change by keyboard. Also can move by finger.
Okay.
If you want to insert waypoint, hold down. Sorry. Right click or use the
Okay.
keyboard. Select the insert
Insert
waypoint.
waypoint.
And if you want delete,
Okay.
right click,
Delete.
remove.
Waypoint.
Yes. And the waypoint name also can change. XTD, double click change. And the PI, parallel index line.
Okay.
Hold down the root. Select add PL. Also you can move.
Okay.
And you can make another one. 3 seconds will be fixed. You see the color bright. Another one on the right side,
Okay.
side side. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want delete, hold down.
Holding.
Yeah, holding.
Delete.
Delete, yes. Here you can select the round line or green circle.
Okay.
Can reduce. Some of the function not used. Okay, go to safety check, you will see the color.
Okay.
Here have the information. Different color this means green color and yellow color it means safe.
Okay.
And click save. And then we need to check our route. But before check our route, we need to set our ship's parameters. How to set? Go to sailing mode, navy, and grounding.
Okay.
Yeah, according your ships like this.
8.
8.
20.
Then go back to blind mode.
Okay.
Check again. And now still showing the dangerous. Then we can hold on the route. Select the danger list. You will see
Okay.
what's the problem.
Safety control
You
machine.
see we moved here.
Okay.
Put
Okay.
in the green color. And this one same.
Okay.
Then click save.
Okay.
After save, we need monitoring the route. How to activate the route? Go to silent mode, nav, route, load the route.
Test. Okay.
The route
And it
become-
started.
Yeah, started.
Okay.
Another one will be automatically.
And how we can check this ETA and all?
And for example, if you want to check this point,
Mm-hmm.
ETA, hold on,
Okay.
select the waypoint label.
Okay.
You will see.
Okay.
Then go back here.
Mm-hmm.
And this is reverse.
Okay.
And this is
Okay.
delete. If you select, you can delete.
Okay.
The user chart, how to
Mhm.
make the user chart.
Mhm.
Did you make it? Yes, I think so.
Yeah, I made.
Yeah. Just close.
The green also. Done, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Same procedure. Click new.
Mm.
Text. Point. Fish. Line. Circle. Also can change the name, but sorry, change the
Here,
color.
yeah, color, green, blue.
Color first.
Okay.
And also text. Logo.
Area.
Yeah. After finish, save. But if you want to remove some symbol, hold on. Remove.
Okay.
Save.
Save.
And how to active? Go to silent mode.
Nav.
Nav. Root.
Root.
Manually select the user chart. Text. Come.
Okay.
Yeah, but you see the no query are not showing because we need to go to chart settings. Showing other text must be ticked.
Okay.
After click
Okay.
other text, more the information will be showing on the screen. This is planning mode.
Okay.
One is for root, one is for user chart.
Okay.
Okay, next one view alert. If the alarm coming, just click here to acknowledge alarm.
Okay.
No silence button.
Mhm.
Cannot increase or decrease the volume. Settings. Here check our system.
Mm-hmm.
Library version is the latest one. And this is the software version.
Okay.
This is the system ID. Compare with this one.
Okay.
Same thing. This is change the price.
Screen brightness.
Yeah, this is for each of set.
Mhm.
East or west. Select.
Okay.
And this toolbar management no need to touch.
Okay.
And this is my board.
Mm-hmm.
If you enable,
Mm.
this one here.
So if I want to mark any.
Yeah, just click.
Okay.
It have the information.
Okay. Okay.
And if you want to stop,
Okay.
click again.
Stop. You want to remove?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
It has the event.
Okay.
Also can delete. Hold down the event.
Remove.
Delete mark. And this go to shift, it means go to silent mode.
Okay.
Block screen. Because
Mhm.
our ECDIS is touch screen. Maybe after a few months, too much fingers on the screen.
Okay.
So you can block screen.
Okay.
Cleaning.
Okay.
And you cannot close. Only within 30 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. And it will be unlocked automatically. Cannot
No touch.
select. Yeah, no touch. Also here cannot. And one more, this button only for power on.
Okay.
Only for power on. Normally no use for power off. Just in case maybe hang.
Hang over.
Yeah, hang like that. You can use this one because this is like a computer.
Touch screen.
Yeah, look like a computer. You
Power.
power off from the unit or use software.
Full
to
shutdown.
It's different.
It's full shot.
And this one is ECDIS navigation mode. It means you see the power button.
Yeah.
It means if you want, for example, if you want to shut down this ECDIS,
Mm-hmm.
you need to go to settings first
Mm-hmm.
and click this button. Click yes.
Okay.
After click yes, it will be going through this page. Click system shutdown.
Okay.
Yeah.
Proper shutdown process.
Yeah. Close all applications. The blue color it means now you are enter this
It's
mode.
running.
Yeah, it's running. So
Okay.
should be close first and then shut down.
Okay. So you put it now block screen. It run for seconds. Only for this time being it will be no use.
Yeah.
After this time gone again you can use.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Even because sometimes it's not enough, you can click again
Okay.
to call cleaning.
Okay.
Also 30 seconds for security also
Yeah.
because you are using
Mhm.
too much times cannot use. Big problem.
So there's no permanent block, nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Only for time being these seconds. The seconds can be changed?
No,
No
cannot.
change. It's default.
Yeah, default.
Okay.
And profiles no use.
No use.
And integrator.
Mm-hmm.
It means you can. This is a shortcut.
Okay.
You can go to File Manager to import and export data.
Okay.
No need extended navigation mode.
Okay.
Yeah. We have the routes, marks, user chart, report, works handover, and the screenshot. Too much things you can export. Here is the cursor position.
Okay. So the information for that particular
Yeah.
area. If you press this one, it will
Yes.
show the areas
Yes,
there.
correct,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And the D-Night
Ah, 3 modes.
also have the hotkey.
Okay.
And zoom in, zoom out,
Okay.
go to ship. You see it's too much
Yeah.
hotkey.
Toggle base
Yeah,
standard,
standard
others,
display,
targets, pick up.
peak, navigate,
Okay.
dialog,
Mhm.
LOP, and alarm,
Okay.
video alerts, loud alerts.
Okay.
Okay, and this is go to ship.
Okay, direct,
Yeah,
okay.
direct, yeah.
Chart settings.
Chart settings, normally like all.
All. Yeah.
Yeah, everything display.
Mm-hmm.
If you select standard,
Mhm.
you see no depth.
In standard also we customize. No need. Not coming, or it will come.
Pardon?
The customize
No,
setting.
it's a different from a different mode.
Okay.
Yeah. If you select a big standard, cannot select the.
Cannot change.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, but here we can.
You can change.
Yeah, we can change.
that's one, yeah.
For all, everything. For the customer, you can select by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, which one you need. You can select.
Is that can be saved? No, no need to save.
No, you save.
Okay.
And the show accuracy is cat zone.
Yeah, cat check zone.
Yeah, the different name. Okay, still, you know your. That's for your reference. You
What is
can-
that style?
It's in the symbol.
Okay, traditional. Okay.
Yeah, out of the
And
air
area boundaries
boundaries.
same, symbolized and okay,
Yeah.
plain.
Yeah, like a paper chart.
Okay.
Yeah. Filter no used. Route, if you want, you can show FTD, wheel line, beam line, parent X line.
Okay.
No use. Message. Chart products.
Mm-hmm.
We have ENC and AIO.
Inland.
Inland and rough chart we don't have.
No, yeah.
And pick. We can pick everything if you want to know this. For object, area, line, AIO and charts.
Mm-hmm.
How to use? First you click pick
Okay.
and select, for example, this symbol.
Okay.
It will show you the point. You see.
Boy and
Boy,
information
this is,
regarding.
yeah,
okay.
correct. This
Okay.
is the information regarding this point, the symbol.
Okay.
First point, line, area,
Okay.
object, everything library, that's it. Too much information. Magnetic. Okay, for the EIO, for example, this area will be showing the information.
Okay.
Yeah, preliminary noted. Legend is for chart.
Okay.
For
Chart
example,
legend.
yeah, for example, this area, you click, and here will be showing how many charts.
You have
Yes.
in the particular area.
Yeah,
Okay.
too much chart. And click the plus.
Just show
You will see the information for the chart.
the expiry date and everything.
Yeah, product,
Okay, product
yeah,
detail.
issue data.
The particular chart detail. Okay.
Yes, yes, too much things. And the navy, first own ship.
Okay.
One more thing, if you operate this system, for example, like this, please wait a second.
Yeah.
Until
Don't do
finish.
again.
Yeah, but do not like
Give
that.
some time. Yeah.
Yeah, do not like that. Maybe one time, two times, no problem. But after
Then hang.
3 times, yes, maybe harm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give some time.
Yeah. Easy. The gyro from heading and then change.
Okay.
Own ship symbol now is like vessel. If we change to symbol, it's like this.
Okay.
Speed leg size can choose on and how many minutes.
Vector.
Like a row on the vessel.
Yeah.
We know how. And own track, the max is 72 hours.
Okay.
How many minutes?
Minutes, yeah.
Yeah. And if you want to check the previous or history track, you can hold on screen and select the track records and enter the date.
Okay. From the date.
Yeah, and then OK will be show you the track. Also, you can use the pick the track. Check
Okay.
the latitude position and other information will be showing also.
Okay.
Anti-grounding.
Okay.
This is for set our ship's parameters.
Okay.
Very important. Before check your route, please check again.
Okay. Because everything is feed from here to there only.
Yeah.
The updates and everything.
Yes.
So that's why it is connected to each and every mode.
Yes.
Okay.
If you disconnect, for example, the LAN cable,
Okay.
it
Then
will
no
be-
connectivity. For
Yeah, separate. This is local head configuration. You
Okay.
can set by yourself. And this is a watch handover. This is check our system.
How to go in look ahead function?
Here, Navy,
Knife.
anti-grounding,
grounding.
Okay.
local head configuration.
And
I remember the starboard side max is 35 and the port side is 25 max
what is it?
degree.
Time limit is 24.
Yeah, minutes is okay.
You can change.
Yeah, I mean this one. We cannot make more. The max is 35 degree. Port side is 25.
Okay.
And here, area with special conditions, it means if you buy it cross this
Yeah,
area, give
if
you a
want, you can
warning
keep it and
or
otherwise you can
coaching.
change. Yeah.
Yeah. And this is watch and over check our system.
Okay.
Yeah, position, system, safety parameters.
So all the details that came
Yeah.
here, while handing over, it will be easy for them to hand over what is condition.
Yes,
running.
yes,
Okay.
yes. And also the route monitor.
Okay.
Sailed
distance?
ahead,
Okay.
no to knowing.
Okay.
Yeah, set.
And for what time it is giving the information?
Pardon?
For how much time it is giving this particular information?
Every
Full
minutes,
monitor.
every seconds.
No,
It
no.
will be there for full
suppose
voyage it is.
for running
This
distance.
is from sailed,
Yeah, yeah,
completed.
yeah.
This
Yeah.
is
Ahead.
ahead, remaining, and this is noon to noon. Saying so, you get all the information on this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the route,
Mm-hmm.
load the route, unload the route.
Okay.
Select
And-
either chart or antique.
Okay. And what about properties
But for the chart, for the route.
for the route? Okay.
Yeah, for example,
Okay.
display.
Mm-hmm.
First
Split
is
screen and,
split.
Mm.
Because you see the white line, it means now you have activated the starboard side.
Okay.
If you click here, it means now you have activated side, you can move.
So you can just keep the ship moment here, and if you want to check anything, you can check this in here.
Yes,
Okay.
it's up to you.
Yeah, it's depend. And if you don't want, just remove this.
Also, you can change the
Size of the screen.
Yeah, size.
Okay.
Mm.
And in display, just off.
Off, yes.
Okay.
It's nose up, head
Yeah,
up.
head up, okay.
True mode, realization
True
mode.
mode.
Frame. The
What is this frame?
Frame is, for example, if you move the frame,
Okay.
vessel will be always inside and return. For example, move to here and will be return, always inside.
So you no need to
Like a true
again.
mode.
And, yeah, no need to move the screen again and again. Just
No
mean to
need, no
say-
need, no need.
Yeah, it'll
If you fix here, for example, you
the screen will move, the ship will remain there.
yes,
sir.
correct.
Okay.
You can move to here. Your
Okay.
vessel you
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Also, we can change the size of the
Screen.
frame. No, this frame we
there.
can change because we need go to input and select first one,
Okay.
and then oh sorry,
It didn't change. Now.
now can do change the size.
Mm.
Your vessel will be always inside.
Okay. In the monitoring mode, you can use this one, you see.
Yeah.
Okay. So each and every time you no need to move the screen once
Yes.
the ship came here.
Correct.
Okay.
Always keep inside.
Okay.
Zoom, no need to say.
Zoom is same by finger everything, but
Yeah.
this one uses what?
No use.
No use.
Yeah.
Okay.
ERBL.
Okay.
Here the information of the ERBL. Hold down
Okay.
and select show VRM. The brain will become.
Okay.
For example, now you test from the ship to point.
Okay.
You can lock. Hold down and lock.
Okay.
And then make another one. If you want to test the point,
Mm-hmm.
move, hold down. Oh, is it already
Yeah,
out?
yeah, already out, yeah.
Yeah. Connect on ship. It means from the ship. If you untick,
Mm.
you can move out.
Okay.
Yeah. And test the point to point.
Okay.
Also, we can lock. And make the third one.
Okay.
The third one cannot lock.
So
Maximum
you can use
2.
3.
Yeah, max is 3.
3.
Yes.
Maximum is 3. You can lock only 2.
Yeah. But after lock, you cannot adjust.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Yeah, only to remove. Hold down,
Remove here.
remove.
Okay.
Hold down, remove.
Okay.
Traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Alpha 1, Alpha 2, and EIS.
Okay.
Alpha 1 is expand.
Okay.
But
Alpha 2.
Alpha 2 is expand.
It's connected.
Alpha 1 not yet because there's no PCB board.
Okay.
Yeah. And the EIS.
Mhm.
They show Alpha target ID. So
Okay.
EIS ID.
Okay.
So the name you see will be showing the name.
Okay.
And this is active range. How many
10
nautical miles? Yeah.
The range of the
EIS.
EIS targets you
Yeah,
want to
EIS
display on
target.
the screen. Okay.
Correct. This is TCP, CTP and TCPA.
Okay.
Here no need to change.
Okay. It's
Target
most probably
target
the same.
association off. And the reliability not yet because not yet finished because after
The only the GRC will come here over
yes
there.
can
Not
yeah.
the other one.
No problem.
Okay.
Only GRC.
And both the ECDIS will be only one. a GRC.
yes
Okay.
correct. After finish I will show you.
Okay.
And LOP. Also we can use hotkey
Okay.
LOP. And enter the bearing and distance. Or
Mhm.
if you can use the ERBL also.
Okay.
Or for example, someone.
It's from the home chip. Change.
Yeah.
You lock this one. Yeah.
No need lock. No need lock.
Just rebooting.
Locked.
Okay.
And click to start. 5 seconds will be fixed.
Okay. Okay.
And then make another one. For example, this one.
Change.
Okay. Locked. Click. 5 seconds. 4.
Okay, after clicking
3.
only it starts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is a cancel button.
Okay.
And we fixed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it will be in the record.
Yeah, we record.
For how much days it will be?
Maybe if you click off,
No.
sometimes it will be hide.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes it will be show, but
So
cannot delete.
where I will take the records?
Huh?
From where I will take this record? If I
Oh, in
myself-
track.
Yeah.
Oh, in track. Oh, you will see.
Okay.
Go in track.
No. Now this is here. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I sailed out.
Yeah.
Vessel came here.
Yes.
Somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know where I put the mark.
Yeah.
So from how I'll find it out?
You can use the track record to
Okay.
which day,
Okay.
because the max is
72
hours.
yeah.
In 3 days you can find on the
It can be
screen.
recorded.
Yes. But after 3 days, you can use the track record
Okay.
and search the day. And
Mhm.
another way is use the replay mode.
Replay mode.
Yeah, to
Replay mode for how many days?
long time.
Long time.
Long time.
And is
until
that okay?
until the
Until the
settings full.
settings, okay.
Yeah. So normally cannot.
So in replay mode, everything will be shown whatever you are done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Another one is
I track. This one.
Image off. When the display.
Okay.
This is for wind. Also, you can active wind indication simple, and choose the relative wind or true wind.
Okay. So it will be nearby the wind. It will be showing.
Yeah, if you select this
Select
one.
this one. Okay.
Yeah. And this one you can.
Meters per second, knots per second. Okay.
Yeah. And watch anchor watch.
Anchor watch
Select,
and range
and you can change here from here.
from here. Okay.
Yeah.
You can check the position also.
Yeah, it's from the top or from the
bow.
correct from the bow. Sorry.
No, it's from the bow. But once anchored,
Mm-hmm.
the vessel moves, not the area moves. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
You can move. Where you want.
that's okay. What I'm saying is, like, we anchored here,
Yeah.
and then after 2 hours, ship gone here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, is this position can be seen? The position of this one?
Yeah.
Where?
Only visible on this one.
You can't see the position? No?
No. Here you can see.
Right here. There. Okay.
You see.
Okay.
Now we disable.
This. Okay.
And the last one is for the replay mode. If the replay mode
Mm-hmm.
only used for anchorage or port,
Okay.
it means when you
For a
stop
short
it,
period.
yeah, you can use. If you're moving,
Mhm.
will not use.
It's not used.
Yeah, because if you use this one,
They confuse whether it is in planning mode or in replay mode.
yeah, because if you use this one, you must be exist navigation mode.
Understood.
You cannot monitor your route or other areas.
So is it possible we put split screen in one we can put replay mode and one in real mode?
No,
No possible.
no possible.
Okay.
Because if you want to enter this one, must be exist navigation mode.
Okay.
If you want to use navigation mode, cannot use replay mode.
Okay. So if we put exit mode in the navigation, then we come to replay mode. That is still working. It's no
Yeah, of
problem.
course. Yeah. Yes. Replay mode. Yes. Do not use underway.
Okay.
Yes. You see now you cannot monitor the route, so that's why. I didn't.
But still we can use in underway. No issues.
yeah, another one.
Yeah, the other one. That's it. Yeah.
It's not recommended.
Yeah.
You can search your history track,
Yeah.
history days.
Okay.
This one little you can remove.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, because sometimes if you keep this one,
Okay.
if you keep this one for touching, maybe sometimes the mouse will be jumping.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is not a
It's
protector.
just a protector. Just
Not
a
yeah, only
package-
for
package,
yeah,
yeah.
yes, correct. You see, move it after this one.
Okay. So it's not good to use.
Yes, not a protective
Okay.
film.
Now replay mode.
Yeah, now it's replay
R
mode.
mode. Okay.
If you want to start, select the replace
Replay. Okay.
and then select one day to start.
Okay.
For example, yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, start, and here start button,
Play.
and also you can make faster.
It's moving.
Moving. You see the time and the position.
Okay.
And also waiting, you can see other vessels.
Okay.
This is yesterday, 5 o'clock.
Okay. This replay mode is always recording, correct?
Yeah, always recording,
okay.
always.
So whenever you required, you can check it.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
You can see other vessels, the station, so many things. After, if you want exit,
Settings.
exit.
Exit navigation mode. Yes. And go to navigation.
Yes, and forget, I'll show you the replace will be saved to here.
Mode. Okay.
One day, one file, remember.
Okay. 1 day 1 file.
If, for example, if you found that the system will be slow,
This you have to take it in a
you
pen
can
drive.
delete.
You can take the backup also
Yeah, also.
and put it in the drive,
yeah, and then delete.
then delete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, select one
Mhm.
and delete.
Okay. Okay.
you can keep
92 days.
92 days. You
Cannot
cannot delete.
Okay.
After out of the 92 days, you can delete.
Oh, in 92 days you can't delete.
Yeah, cannot.
Okay.
Maybe for security.
Some purpose.
Yeah, some
Yeah,
purpose.
okay.
Correct. Yeah. For the screenshot, also you can take from here. Here have the screenshot button.
Okay.
And the one called watch or watch
And
handle.
if the screenshot, I can remove it out.
Yeah, select and
Browse
delete.
and by pen drive. Okay.
Yeah, and also you can keep your USB and
Yeah.
their computer.
Computer.
Okay, this is the
Navigation mode.
I will show you the power breaker. Okay. 24 from here. 24.
This main ECDIS, huh?
No, this is the 24 voltage.
Which one?
Which plug?
Downside.
The last one?
Here. I have
The
made a
last
mark.
one.
Here.
Master and backup.
Yes.
Okay.
23 and 24.
Sorry, maybe I make the wrong mark. I saw it's 20, 22 and 23. Is 22. And here, we put a 0 here.
This one?
Number 1.
This is main.
Yeah, this is the main.
And then DC.
Yes, correct.
Okay. 24 volt. Okay.
Even you power off one breaker,
That will be there.
still working.
24 will be working.
Actually, it's still working.
Okay.
Okay, we already marked.
Yes,
It is.
already
वो
marked.
सेम ECDIS था उसी में मार्क किया
Yeah.
अपना
Same
पहले पावर
breaker.
सप्लाई था ना 6 o'clock I just want to previous log 1 o'clock 2 o'clock 3 o'clock
Logbook.
Yeah.
We don't have.
don't have
Yeah.
oh
We don't have.
why it's very bad then why
He have the track and the replay mode, so that's why they. No choice. We already told him. We already told the tower regarding this, but they said we have the replay mode. No need the book.
so each and every time I have to go to replay mode then no need but I don't know चार घंटा पोजीशन लिखना ही है in if we miss out see okay I'll just ask an example if I started like 12 o'clock what started
Yeah.
okay what started 12 o'clock now 1 o'clock and it's been 1:30 I want 1 o'clock position so how I look in now
One-
it's 1:30
Yeah.
how I'll get my 1 o'clock position previous position
Can use the peak
pick
and pick your track.
okay
Yeah.
okay
For example,
that is for 72
this track
okay
for this.
so even for 6 hours also it will show in the track
Even no
By
72.
going pick.
72.
no that is okay 72 it will be
Yeah.
showing the track
Yeah.
but if you go pick like if in
Yeah.
pick if you go like this the same track previous
Yeah.
if you and that will be showing that particular time it was there
Yeah.
okay
Yeah. Showing on here.
okay yeah
Showing here.
so that's no issues then okay.
And also you can use the if out of the 3 days you can use the track records.
Track records.
Yeah.
Okay.
And select a day.
and if you select track records then okay if you give
Okay.
them-
It will be showing on the screen, and then you can to track
Okay.
to pick and get the position.
and updates
Here.
how I put from Myra to this one
Save to USB first.
okay
Insert.
okay install
Scan
drive.
drivers.
Oh, you already
Okay.
told me. Okay. yeah.
Apply.
Apply.
Yeah.
And after once applied, how I know it is corrected?
Yeah, report you can see.
Okay, report.
Yeah. This is for ENC update reference data.
Okay.
But maybe next week
Mm-hmm.
here will be showing too much, not up to date.
Okay.
But no problem.
Mhm.
You just make sure for your intended voyage,
Select
for
it.
your route,
Okay.
make sure. Select text for example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, totally 5, you have 5. Then okay.
Up to date.
Even
That
yeah,
is
sorry,
it.
too
That
much.
is remaining charge.
Yeah, for other areas,
need,
charge,
no
no
need,
need.
yeah, no
Yeah,
need,
just
yeah.
remember this one.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah. Select this one. If the PSE or has or somebody
Okay.
check, just choose them this
Okay.
one.
And here we have a chart catalog.
Here we have the information for the inventory.
Okay.
Also, we have the inventory. You can
Myra software.
export from the Myra.
Myra. Okay.
Yeah. this is install how many charts
Okay.
and expired, not up to date and expiring.
In 30 days. Okay.
If this is report totally and for your intended voyage. Settings, just keep this one. Keep scan driver, scan all available.
Scan all available removal because
Yes.
because whenever you put inside
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the review updates and the menu updates.
Mm-hmm.
These two you see is cannot click because if you use this one, must be select one chart.
Okay.
For example, this one,
Mm-hmm.
select first and hold down.
Okay.
You will see review updates and the menu updates.
Okay.
For example, review update, this is the updates.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to use the menu updates, select menu updates. It will be showing the chart. And select edit, and then you can put the symbol, put it inside and
Okay.
apply.
Okay.
But if you make this one,
That will be permanent.
yeah, next week you please remember to delete this one
Okay.
because here may be showing two symbols.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because correction will apply.
Yeah.
And you put it one.
Yeah, one is manually, another is automatically.
So
yeah.
the both will be there.
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay.
This one cannot delete automatically.
Okay.
Must be deleted by
Manually
hand.
we have to delete.
Yes, correct.
Same like that. We have to hold it and delete. Then
No, yeah, select and reject.
now you are now it is applying.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
reject.
After you want delete, hold down and remove.
Now apply it then. Okay. Now it's applied.
ZA. Okay, go here. And
Mm-hmm.
remove.
Hold it.
Hold down.
Remove
Remove.
object. Okay. Yeah.
Apply. And then you will see this chart.
Mm-hmm.
Review updates.
This one, huh?
Yeah,
Inserted.
officer in charge.
Okay.
Manual.
Manually updated. Okay.
And this is removed
Okay.
manually. And this is chart 1. It's for your reference only.
Okay.
If
So
you
symbols
want,
and abbreviations.
yeah, if you want to know what's this, select pick
Mm-hmm. Pick there. It gives you.
airport, blah blah.
Okay. Okay.
And also this one, what tower. Like
The
that.
pick gives you all the details whatever you see.
Yes,
You can
if
use
you,
it
what do
anytime.
what do you want, you can just use the pick.
Okay.
And nav text. If you have the nav text, it will be
The
showing.
messages?
Yeah,
Yeah.
showing inside.
So when the navtext message replies here,
Yeah,
and if you are seeing that one,
yeah.
it will be continuously remaining there or it will be passing on. Like
You can select the date and the delete and how many days
okay,
before delete automatically on what time.
okay,
Yeah. And if you install normally no need to install the permit because we have around 3 months.
okay,
Yeah, expired. Normally no need to install. For example, it's near to expired, then you should install the new permit again. First install the database USB. Install the permit USB.
Permits first.
Insert permit.
Okay, scan.
Scan. Okay,
Apply.
waiting finish.
Okay.
Apply.
Okay.
And then
Hmm.
take out the permit USB and
Put the
insert the
base.
database.
Base.
Same procedure.
Same
Scan
procedure.
drivers.
Apply.
Okay, apply.
Then
finish.
Then finish. Then you remove.
Yeah, if you
put
receive
P.
the weekly update,
Then you put.
same procedure.
Okay.
Insert weekly update USB. Scan drivers.
Okay.
Okay, apply.
Okay.
Then finish.
Okay.
This is for install the charts and updates.
Okay. Once the chart is permits is expired,
Yeah.
I need to remove, right?
No need. Normally,
It
no
automatic
need.
goes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It
If not, you can select and delete.
Delete.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
Mm.